Do you want to invest, but you don't know how, simply because you have little money to spare? Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we are going to learn about the 5 ways to invest with little to no money. If you are new here and want more tips on wealth building and investing, start now by subscribing and click the bell icon. Now, let's get started. Number 1, invest in yourself. Investment in your own education and enriching your knowledge is the best investment you can ever make. Warren Buffett once said, "More you learn, more you earn." Learn a new language, a new course on computer application, or even read a life-changing book, can make a difference. All these new skills and knowledge you learn can possibly bring your career up to the next level. It is totally possible that you can acquire a certain life-changing skill within a few months, or even weeks. These new skills you learn can help you in either getting a promotion or gives you the opportunity to get into a higher paying job. And here are the 3 steps you need to take right now. 1. Take aim to be disciplined to learn a new skill in the next 30 days. 2. Have an open mind to challenge yourself out of your comfort zone. 3. Start learning new things like what you are doing right now. Investing in yourself is not only simple to do, but it will also change your life for the better. Number 2, Dividend Reinvestment Plan. Dividend Reinvestment Plan (DRIP) is perfect for any lazy investors. A DRIP helps to automate your investment journey. It reinvests the dividend you get from the stock to buy more of the company's shares. And unlike buying stock from the open market, where you will need to pay a brokerage fee, companies that offer DRIPs allow you to reinvest into their companies without any form of fees, which can help you to further increase your return on investment. Many investors love DRIPs because it allows you to perform dollar cost averaging automatically. A totally passive way of investing, where you will grow your portfolio over time. Probably, this is one of the best options for people who want a more hands-off approach to investing. But just be reminded, all investment comes with a certain level of risk. So, you should only invest in good companies, which pay a nice dividend. And don't forget to do a periodic review of your investment, at least once per quarter. Number 3. Employer-sponsored retirement plan. Probably the easiest way to invest is to join the employer-sponsored retirement plan. You just need to set up a payroll deduction plan with your employer. Simply choose a set percentage of your paycheck to contribute to the retirement plan. How much you choose to contribute depends on your needs and level of comfort. You can either choose as low as 1% to as high as 20% of your salary. Sometimes, the percentage allowed is also dependent on your company. If you are lucky, some companies offer matching contributions for each dollar you put into the retirement plan. And that is basically free money for your retirement. But the best is yet to come. Here is something even more exciting than free money. Tax benefits. Not only all your contribution is tax deductible, but what you earn from your investment through this employer-sponsored retirement plan will not be subjected to income tax until you withdraw your money at your retirement. Why tax benefit is it exciting, you may ask? Normally, an employee pays 15% to 40% in tax. With your contribution that is tax deductible, you will have an opportunity to have more of your money to compound for the next 30 to 40 years. This can mean the difference between retiring rich as a millionaire or retiring with just enough to get by. Number 4. Low-fee ETFs. Exchange-traded funds or ETFs are financial products that allow you to invest in a bucket of stocks professionally picked that represents that sector or industry. Investing in ETFs is especially good for investors who don't know much about investing, but wish to start their investing journey. With a limited amount of investing knowledge in cash, ETFs allows you to invest much more safely. This is because ETFs helps you to diversify your portfolio, which helps to reduce your risk. But always remember, choosing ETFs with low fees is important, as fees alone can cause you thousands of dollars when you add them all up years later. If you are new to investing, this is what you should do right now. 1. Buy a low-fee ETFs to get yourself started on your investment journey. 2. While you are investing, read up books and watch videos on investing like this one. 3. Lastly, enrich yourself with the knowledge on investing before you start buying individual stocks. Knowledge is the difference between a winner and a wannabe. Number 5. Saving accounts. Saving accounts may not be exciting, and the interest they give might be tiny. but it is one of the best places to accumulate your capital when you have little to no money to invest. Putting your money in the savings account allows you to have a zero risk return on your money. And at the same time, you can accumulate your capital and prepare for a good investment opportunity in the future. Most importantly, putting money in your saving accounts helps you to build up your emergency fund. Building up an emergency fund can be just as important as investing your money in the right stock. Because having an emergency fund is an investment in your financial security. An emergency fund can help prevent you from being forced to sell your investment due to some unforeseen events, such as requiring extra cash to fix a car or pay for medical fees. Gaining 1% return from the bank as interest per annual may not sound exciting. But with the added benefit of acting as an emergency fund, this is an investment you should consider. Before we go to the bonus content, click like and subscribe, because more great content like this is on the way. We're curious to know, which of these will you want to try in the next 48 hours? Come and let us know in the comments below. And here is your bonus. Pay off debt. Paying off your debt will be the first and most important thing you should do when you have little money to invest. But wait, is that investing? Yes, paying off debt is to invest in your future. But before I continue explaining what do I mean by investing for your future, you need to understand a bit more about debt. There are two types of debt, good debt and bad debt. Good debt is debt that helps you earn money. Bad debt is debt that takes money from your pocket. Here, when I mention about paying off debt, I am talking about paying off the bad debt. The type of debt you got from your payday loan, credit card debts, etc. And there is a good reason why you should pay off your bad debts. First, bad debt can affect your credit score. As people with a bad credit score are seen as higher default risk, banks may require you to pay a premium and interest for the loan you apply for your mortgage, which means more expensive housing and less money to invest. Second, paying off debt is the best way to have a guaranteed above average return on your money. This is especially true if you are having credit card debts. The interest charged by the credit card company is usually in double digits, and this can be very bad news to you. Let's say you have a credit card debt of $1,000 with an interest rate of 12% per annual. By simply paying off your credit card debt, you have just locked in a guaranteed 12% return on your money. There is no guaranteed investment that gives you a double-digit return on your investment anywhere, apart from paying off your debt. Warren Buffett is rich because of compound interest. And compound interest can work two ways. It can either work for you when you invest and get a positive return every year, or it can work against you when you take up debt that requires you to pay high interest. The choice is yours. If you have learned something valuable from here, click like and subscribe. This will be your first step into the world of investing. Our next video will show you more secrets about investing. Let's go.